Waze with Uber Driver app. In this video, we are going to learn how to use Waze with Uber Driver app. So let's get started. Number 1. Install Waze. Make sure you have the Waze app installed on your device. You can download it from the App Store for iPhone users or Google Play Store for Android devices. Open Uber Driver app, launch the Uber Driver app and log into your driver account. Then accept a ride request through our Uber Driver app as you normally would. Now open Waze. Once you have accepted a ride, you can switch to the Waze app for navigation. Exit the Uber Driver app. You can keep it running in the background and open Waze. Now enter the destination in Waze. Enter the passenger's destination address. Then start navigation. Once the destination is entered, tap on the go button or a similar option to start navigation. Waze will provide turn-by-turn directions to the destination. Then switch back to Uber app. You can switch back to Uber Driver app when needed to manage the ride, mark as arrived, start the trip and complete the trip. That's how you can use Waze with Uber Driver app.